everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're showcasing our top 5 kitchen small appliances that will take your meal prep to the next level. Whether you're blending, chopping, or frying, these gadgets will make cooking easier and more fun. And as always, you can buy each of these appliances from the links in the description below. Let's jump right in. First up is the Magic Bullet Blender. This compact and versatile blender is perfect for quick smoothies, sauces, and even chopping vegetables. With its small footprint, it's perfect for any kitchen counter, and its easy-to-use design makes meal prep a breeze. Whether you're blending your morning shake or making salsa, the Magic Bullet has you covered. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Next, we have the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. This all-in-one appliance lets you air fry, roast, rotisserie, and dehydrate, making it a kitchen powerhouse. It cooks food to crispy perfection with little to no oil, and the built-in rotisserie feature is perfect for delicious roasted meats. Looking for a healthier way to cook? Grab yours through the link in the description. Coming in at number 3 is the Cuisinart Panini Press and Griddler. This versatile appliance works as a sandwich press, griddle, and more, making it ideal for grilling anything from paninis to burgers. The stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the adjustable temperature controls ensure perfect results every time. Ready to upgrade your sandwich game? Check the description for the link. Next on the list is the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. This compact processor is a game-changer for chopping, mincing, and pureeing ingredients in seconds. Perfect for those who love making fresh salsas, pestos, or chopping veggies for meal prep. It's small but mighty and fits in any kitchen space. Want one for your kitchen? The link is in the description. And last but not least, we have the OVENTE Electric Sandwich Maker. If you love crispy golden sandwiches in minutes, this appliance is for you. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick snacks or meals. Whether it's grilled cheese or ham and egg sandwiches, this sandwich maker gets the job done fast. Click the link below to grab yours. And there you have it, our top 5 kitchen small appliances that will make your cooking faster, easier, and more fun. From blending to grilling, these gadgets are perfect for any kitchen. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the products we featured today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.